Hello guys, how are you? I hope all people are very nice, and my name is Aditi and I create video about lifestyle, productivity, law of attraction and my success story and my growth story. So today I'm talking about visualization, and this video can really change your mind, really change your life. So please stay tuned to the last. So before I will talk about visualization, I just really want to share my short story with you, how I manifested a dream job in Dubai. So I always feel like what to do next. So when I was doing my dream profession, when I was doing my dream career, that time the inside inside me, I was always feeling that I want to do something else. I want to do something else, but I was not sure what to do. And that time I asked universe, I asked God, I asked my inner self that what is really I want to do. And the answer was very vague. Every time it was vague, but one day I was like, enough Aditi, you have to study about law of attraction. If everybody is manifesting things, if people are saying that if you can do it, you can do it, everything is possible, that time I believe that something is different for me, something will be different coming to me. And that time I started thinking about I want to do something different, extraordinary, not like people. And that time I manifested a job by doing visualization, by doing whatever it takes, but it takes action. It's not all about visualization, it is also about action. So I'm sharing with you very simple step to follow visualization. And if you don't believe in visualization, I'm putting 3-4 videos of big celebrities and sport person who really did something great because of visualization. So see that videos. And
every time I stepped onto the bus or I went to a practice session, I always had music on, and I kept telling myself I'd got 8 ODI hundreds by the time, and I kept telling myself I'm good enough to play at this level, and if I can get 800s in ODI cricket, I can manage this as well. So I kept telling myself I'm good enough, I'm good enough, I'm good enough, and I ended up scoring 48 in the first innings and 75 in the second in that test match, in conditions that were very tough, and I was the highest run getter in that test match for us. That made me believe that the power of visualization and believing in yourself is so huge that we never tap into the potential of that fully. But it's only when you really put out all the distractions on the side and believe in yourself, you can do something which is not perceivable for people on the outside. So that was a big lesson for me.
So I want to unlock a 3-step formula for visualization which really helped me, and I know it will help you. So it is very common to say that define what you really need. So you have to define what you really want in your life. The day you define your things, what you really want, your brain pattern will shift and it will think about more what you want. If you are not clear, just research about what you really like to do, and every time you will get your answers if you are seeking for answers. So define your goal and feel that thing, feel in your body that it is coming to you, it is coming to you. And you can do it by affirmations. For example, I am active, I am super active, I have my opportunity, and whatever you can do to define your goal, you have to do it. And then second, belief. So many times we have very limiting belief. So how can we clear our limiting belief? So first of all, if you are very new in your law of attraction, or you are very new in visualization, don't think about big dreams. Think about your small successes you really want to achieve. For example, you want to go somewhere, just visualize you are there and you will achieve it. And whenever you will achieve your end result, you will be more confident yourself and your limiting belief will be degrade. So this is the very important part of visualization. And third is action. if your visualization is very powerful, if you are doing in a right way that what you really want, and you will get a, like, your brain pattern started shifting, and your body will be proactive, and every time you want to do actions. So it is very important, whenever you feel like to do, you feel like motivation to do something, just do it, just do it. No matter it will not give result, it will not, but at the end that will give your mind your that it is possible to achieve anything. And with the, like, setting, visualizing and not doing anything, it is very waste of time, your efforts and everything. So whenever you want to achieve something, just do actions. Actions are the king of everything. And believe me, I visualize so many things, and I really take action which are very effortless to me, and I'm here landed to my dream city, Dubai, and I really love luxury here. I really love my company. I really love to be around people. I really love to design my life as I really want. So it is easy. Just believe that everything is possible, and we just don't stick to so many techniques. Stick to very few techniques, 1 to 3 techniques which you really like to do, and just do it. Visualization is, if you are not good in visualization, just start with guided meditations. There are so many guided meditation on YouTube. You can follow it and you will get so many results, because it is guided visualization meditation which will give you so many hints and so many pictures in your brain. So stay tuned for this kind of videos. Thank you so much.